Considering the increasing global emphasis on sustainable energy, Malaysia is embracing the potential of solar power. Homeowners and business owners alike are exploring solar panel installation for environmental benefits and long-term investment. AI Solar Company, with over 2,000 clean energy projects, highlights that residential solar systems in Malaysia range from RM14,000 to RM46,000. This cost spectrum depends on various factors, including house type, roof size, and the specific solar panels chosen. Different house types have varying requirements for solar panel installations, impacting the overall cost. Roof dimensions, type, and materials play a crucial role in feasibility and cost-effectiveness. Additionally, larger solar PV systems capable of generating more energy generally come with a higher upfront investment. Businesses in Malaysia can also leverage solar energy. Installing 500 kilowatt peak (kWp) of solar panels in commercial settings costs approximately RM2, 400 per kWp. Malaysia offers renewable energy incentives to offset upfront costs. Power purchase agreements (PPA) allow companies to avoid substantial upfront expenses by contracting for solar energy.